This entire animated sequence was created with AI. No animation studio, no team of artists, no complicated editing workflow. Just an idea, a few images, and the right AI tools. A few years ago, creating something like this would have required a team of professionals and countless hours of work. But today, AI is changing the way content is created, and I wanted to see just how far I could take it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created this animated sequence from scratch, how the workflow works, and how you can create your own animated stories using AI. And before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I regularly test the latest AI tools, AI video generators, and content creation workflows to help you stay ahead of the curve. Now let's break down how this animation was made. Every great animation starts with an idea. For this project, I wanted to create a cinematic sci-fi story about a man being hunted by a futuristic police force before making a dramatic escape. Instead of spending hours planning every single detail myself, I can simply describe my idea and let Flova help expand it into a complete concept. One of the things I like most is that Flova isn't just a generator. It acts more like a creative assistant. You can brainstorm ideas, refine concepts, and develop scenes simply through conversation. Before we start creating anything, I want to show you one of the features that makes Flova different from a lot of other AI platforms, and that's skills. As you can see, there are plenty of skills available depending on the type of content you want to create. Whether you're looking to create cinematic films, action-packed stories, anime projects, sci-fi adventures, or other creative content, there are different workflows designed to help you get started much faster. Think of skills as pre-built creative workflows. Flova also includes a skill library filled with ready-to-use workflows created by experienced creators. So instead of building everything from scratch, beginners can start from proven setups that have already been designed for specific types of content and creative goals. It's a great way to learn new workflows, speed up production, and benefit from the experience of creators who have already refined these processes. For this project, I'm going to use the narrative short film skill. I chose this one because it's specifically designed for storytelling and cinematic productions. It includes character voice anchoring to help maintain consistency throughout the project. It's powered by Seedance 2.0, and it follows a human-AI collaboration workflow that keeps you involved during important stages of the creation process. So let's go ahead and select it. Now that we've chosen our skill, it's time to give the agent our idea. For this project, I want to create a cinematic sci-fi story where a lone fighter finds himself facing an entire futuristic police force in an epic battle. Rather than spending hours writing complicated prompts and planning every single scene myself, I can simply describe the concept through chat and let Flova help expand it into a complete production plan. I can ask it to brainstorm action sequences, suggest camera angles, improve the story, build the storyboard, and even help refine the pacing of the film. To keep the character consistent throughout the animation, I can save the character directly inside Flova using the element feature. This allows me to build my own character and asset library within the platform, making it much easier to maintain consistency across different scenes and future projects without constantly managing files manually. This is why Flova feels more like an AI video agent than a traditional generator. You're not just generating content, you're actually collaborating with an AI that helps develop and organize the entire creative process. As the project develops, the agent helps structure the storyboard, organize assets, and build the scenes needed to bring the story to life. And one thing I really like is that if I want to change something, I can simply tell the agent through chat. Whether it's adjusting a scene, changing the atmosphere, improving an action sequence, or generating new ideas, everything can be refined through conversation. Once the project is complete, there's one final thing I want to show you. I can actually save this entire workflow as my own skill. This means I'm not just creating a video, I'm also saving the process that helped create it. So if I decide to make another cinematic sci-fi film in the future, I don't have to start over from scratch. I can simply reuse this skill, keep the workflow, keep the creative setup, and continue building on what I've already created. Over time, you can build your own collection of skills, making it much easier to create sequels, recurring characters, and entire content series while keeping your workflow consistent.
They built the cage. They forgot I helped design it.
And that's the final result. What's impressive isn't just the quality of the visuals. It's how much of the production process is handled for you. Instead of juggling multiple tools, writing endless prompts, and manually organizing assets, everything happens inside a single workflow. So if you've ever wanted to create animated stories, anime, short films, advertisements, or cinematic content without dealing with a complicated production pipeline, this is definitely worth checking out. You can find the link in the description below. When you sign up, you'll receive 200 credits instantly, plus additional weekly credits just for logging in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know what type of AI animation you'd like me to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
3 months undercover, 1 second to lose it all. There's no backup. There's no plan. There's only us.